Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and it's make it or break it time. That's right, I'm into the Walmart stores now. All of the sauces are launching the week of April 7th, 2013, and I need your help. It's in your hands whether it's gonna make it or not. I need you guys to go out and try the sauce. I guarantee you'll love it. It's the best you'll ever taste. No lie, that's what I heard. So go to your local Walmart store. Right now, we're only in the Western United States, 185 stores. I gotta be near one of you guys. And if it's not there, ask your manager to bring it in. Just click on this link here for Walmart locations and see if it's a store near you. Once again, you guys have been there from the beginning, and I thank you. And if you go to the store and support me, I thank you even more. I really appreciate it. This is what I worked so hard for. So now my future is in your hands. I love you guys. My family loves you too. Take care, and I'll see you on the next episode.